Hey guys,
Hello.
welcome back to our channel All Around Health Talk. Hope you all had a great weekend. We're going to continue with the Q&A session, and the first question today is, does hormonal imbalance cause varicocele? Now, varicocele is when there is an abnormal dilation of the veins of your testicles. It could be the right or the left testicles, but it mostly happens on the left because of the anatomy. So when this happens, there's a problem with the flow of blood, because the blood actually flows back towards your testicles instead of flowing forward towards your heart. So when we have that situation, there's always a problem, because with time it affects the testicles, causing it to degenerate, and then there's a problem with the production of testosterone, etc. So in this case, hormonal imbalance does not cause varicocele, but it's actually vice versa. Varicocele can cause hormonal imbalance in men. Well, yes, of course, because men are the ones that have testicles. So over time, this can affect the libido of the person. This can affect fertility. This can affect the bones. It can even cause depression sometimes, because, well, if you can't perform, that has a way of getting to you as a man. So it can affect the individual in different ways over time. So just to be clear, varicocele causes hormonal imbalance, not the other way around. Yeah.
So we got another question that said, is it possible to have repeated cases of conjunctivitis? So conjunctivitis is basically an inflammation, swelling of your conjunctiva, and you could have repeated cases of conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis can be caused by bacteria, by viruses, by allergic agents. So basically, if it's a viral conjunctivitis, it's caused by a virus which is easily transmitted from one person to another. If it's a bacterial, it can also be transmitted to another person, but basically they are bacterials from the eye itself that maybe due to an immune system issue, your body can no longer control the bacteria, and then there's an accumulation, and then you could have bacterial conjunctivitis. Stress or any factor that drops your immune system can favor the appearance of such problems. Then allergic agents can be pollen, it can be after having contact with dust, with animals, because people have allergy to certain things. So it could be anything that can cause an allergy that would make you have a conjunctivitis. Basically what you're going to see is someone with a red eye, teary eye, you could have itching, you could have pain. Some people can have difficulty seeing. So the fact that you've had conjunctivitis before doesn't mean that you cannot have another conjunctivitis, as long as you get exposed to you've had contact with someone who has conjunctivitis. Maybe you share the same towel, maybe the person used the towel to clean their eyes, or the liquid from the eyes, and somehow you get in contact with that, you could also come have conjunctivitis. So as long as you continue to get exposed to conjunctivitis, you can always have conjunctivitis. Doesn't mean that once you have it, you don't get to have it anymore. So basically, this is what we have for you guys today. These are 2 questions that we're answering in this video, and we hope that it's useful to you all. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, share the video, and let's just continue helping each other. If you have any questions, please send them in and we'll gladly answer the questions. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.
Bye.